Hello everyone! In this movie, I'm going to teach you how to work with the Ultra system files in the Advisor. The Galaxy Ultra has revolutionized the rough planning process by using a high-resolution microscope, taking into account the smallest inclusions, VVS, and enabling IF and VVS plans that were not feasible to date. With Advisor 5.2, you can browse through the microscope images with improved clarity for planning and manipulation of small inclusions to increase the value of your diamonds. In Advisor version 5.2, we have added some new features that will help you plan your ultra-scanned stone. Let's see how to use these new features. I will plan a clear IF round polished stone. The result is a round polished stone of 1 carat and 8 points. There are very small inclusions in the stone that are difficult to see. To better see these small inclusions, I will use the new Show Small Inclusions Halo feature by right-clicking the mouse over the rough stone and choosing this option. This option allows me to view these small inclusions by emphasizing them with a halo. I will now use a new feature in Advisor 5.2, which allows me to change only the small inclusion state. To use this new feature, I will right-click the mouse inside the rough stone. In the menu that opens, I will hover over the Change Part Small Inclusion State and choose the Ignore option. This operation will only change the state of the inclusions which are circled with a halo, without any effect on the other inclusions within the stone. As you can see, only the small inclusions changed their color to red. I will plan the stone again. In my second result, I achieved a 1 carat and 40 point VVS stone. Let's look at the inclusion reflections for both stones. In my first plan, I got a 1 carat and 8 point stone. In my second plan, I got a 1 carat and 40 point stone. But as you can see, some very small inclusions with a halo around them appear inside the stone. These inclusions are probably VVS2 and can only be detected by the Galaxy Ultra system. I would like to better examine the nature of these small inclusions and then make my final decision regarding the second option. I will now use the Ultra's advanced microscope abilities. Under the Inclusions tab page, I will click on the new Ultra tab. I can now click on any inclusion and the application will automatically show me the inclusion view as it is seen with the microscope. I can animate a selected small inclusion by right-clicking the mouse and choosing the Animate Current Inclusion. This will animate any selected inclusion so I can better see the selected inclusion on the different screens. The inclusions can be examined by the Ultra system from one or more perspectives. Right-clicking the mouse on the current perspective frame will allow me to move it to the desired group of inclusions. I can also control the zoomed-in frame number of pictures by increasing or decreasing its width, showing actual frame size in microns. By doing so, the current displayed inclusion picture has a bigger or smaller depth of video pictures, which can be focused on. Here you can see the group of inclusions that I have chosen to focus on, and are now inside my planned polished diamond. In this field, I can view the selected inclusion depth, height, and width by microns, and determine the actual size of each inclusion within the planned polished diamond. After examination, I decided to choose the first result, which will probably lead me to an IF stone. By using the Ultra's abilities, I've managed to maximize the profit from my rough diamond. To set the halo threshold for inclusions under a certain size, go to the Options dialog window. Under the Inclusions tab, set the size of the inclusions in microns under the Show Halo on Inclusions Under field, and click the OK button. You are now ready to plan an UltraScan stone in Advisor. Thanks for watching this video, and goodbye.